Welcome back to the second episode of Simply Nilofer. This time with little twist. Guess where I am today? I am at this amazing JRP Garage, your reliable car doctor, with our very own Ibrahim. So let's go check it out. They are quite reasonable and truly the perfectionist in repairing your cars. JRP. Now, this garage started in the year 2019, but they have an experience of 20 years dealing with cars. They fix cars like Jeep, Range Rovers, Porche, and so much more. Ibrahim here will tell us more about it.
Yes, that's true. We have our in-house spare shop, which we use genuine spares, and our diagnosis is dealer level, where we connect directly to the Chrysler group in the States.
Oh, wow.
Yes, in real time, to give us accurate diagnosis instead of a generic machine where the diagnosis is not accurate.
Wonderful.
Yes. No, mostly we do also Rhino Charge cars.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm,
That's awesome, Ibrahim. Well, JRP Garage is located at Garden Estate Road off Thika Road. Below are the numbers to contact. Your cars are very precious. Do take care of them. Make sure they are in the right hands like JRP Garage, your reliable car doctor. Once the car is repaired, it feels just as new on the road. They provide professional quality and affordable services. If you want safe, affordable and genuine car service, then JRP Garage is the place to be. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Simply Nilofer for more exciting videos coming your way. And don't forget to visit JRP Garage, your reliable car doctor. Hi Omar.
Hi.
I'm Nilofer.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, this is my channel Simply Nilofer, and here we are at JRP today.
Okay.
And as you know, they are into these amazing cars and Jeeps. So as a client of JRP,
Yes.
what is your take on this place? How happy are you with the service, and how is your experience with JRP?
Okay. First of all, this is not my first experience with a mechanic for Jeep.
Okay.
The first time I got a problem, so actually it costed me a lot of money, and also the diagnosis from the beginning was a little bit wrong. So This is my second time at a Jeep mechanic. I'm very happy so far
Okay.
because I think the most important thing when you bring a car is it's like a human body, is the diagnosis. If you get the diagnosis right, I think everything falls into place and becomes easy. And I was well received. I have a Jeep Liberty from 2011,
Nice.
so it's quite 10 years old. It's starting to feel old, but I wish I had known these guys before, because apparently even the first mechanical problem I had, if I had someone to advise me properly, I would have changed the part in time so that the engine wouldn't. So I'm very happy so far. Also, I would recommend it for everybody. The price is really, really affordable.
Okay.
It's not expensive at all. So thank you very much, and thank for all the mechanics here.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Omar,
Thank
for
you.
your contribution. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.